Okay, hello. Today I'm going to be doing some bash scripting. It's on the topic of like ergonomics and problem solving, I guess. So I have this script here where it'll randomly choose a background for me, and it's just looking in a file for that. And this is called every single time I boot. So if I go to my config, every time X is started, it chooses a random background. Now, what I want is every single time I boot. I want it to like update all of my Git files and stuff. So I'm going to make a bash script, Git update, and what I want it to do is I give it a file path, and it will update everything in there. So I need some directories. And for this, I'm going to choose find because I have a bit more control over I'm not sure if I'll need to this. Now, do I get syntax highlighting if I do this? I do. Okay, that's better. So let me think. So I'm feeding in a path. I want to find all of the directories. I'll make max depth 1, so it's not recursive, and type is directories. Okay. Now, what do I want to do? For every Git folder, I'll just say every folder because we don't know if it's Git actually. In the directory, we want to go into it, check that it is a Git directory. Yeah, so I'm going to go into it always. And then we're going to check if it is a Git directory by seeing if it has this here. So that is a directory every Git directory will have. And if that returns true, we're going to do and. So here's an important thing in Bash where I can do command 1, command 2, and it will always run command 2. But if I put an and in there, it will only run command 2 if command 1 was successful. So here I'm checking to see if this is true, and if it is, it's going to run the this command here, which is essentially it's like an if statement, but a bit. So we want to we're already in the folder, so we can pull. And then we want to maybe say updated or something. So like updated. Can't type today. Updated the folder. Now that is a bit of a lie because this might fail. Git pull might fail for various reasons, but that's okay. Okay, and then we just want to go back to the working directory and done. Okay, so let's see if this works. If I go to git update, and let's try and do my let's see if this works. Looks like it's working. So you see that right there, it did fail, but it said it updated. And maybe I want it to recompile. I suppose it depends on what it is. Like if it's a Rust thing, I might want to do Rust install. I'll leave it for now. I'll just make it update, and then not compile anything. But that works. I'm happy with that. So I will then go to my config, and I will run this here. And I want to run this on my Git directory, and I think I also want to run it on my my source directory here. Okay, I think that will just work. I can check in a minute. But first, I should probably add this git update. I should change my jar system to match this. So if I go to jars, I did update correctly, right? So I'm just gonna reset and then pull. Cool. Okay, now I want to. Actually, this will be in my dot files, so let me check that my dot files are up to date. They are. And I'll be going to local bin, and I want to copy. I think I don't know if my random background is actually in this. So local bin, random backgrounds. Okay, it was in there. That's good. And also this git update, and I want to add it, and then say added git data. And I should also go to the config and update the RC. So I'm just going to copy mine. Actually, I shouldn't do that because maybe it's fine. It's this sleep here. I think it's short on this computer because it's quite a good computer, but it'll be fine. So and copy that here. Yes, I want to overwrite it. And I will just change this number back to 5 because on my slower laptop it needs 5 seconds. And then I should make those changes. So make random background and update. Is that too long? Cool, perfect. So that means when I restart, it should hopefully update everything. And my background will change. So I'll restart and let you guys know it worked. Okay, here is the test. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I switched the phone to show it booting. And you see the background change, and hopefully it's updated things. So let's have a look in Git. Better Task Manager. And see right here, it says test auto push. That's something I put in there just to test that it was auto updating, and it is. So it's working as intended. Woo. Let's change the background one more time. See what we get. That's quite nice. And just to show again that it works, I've now removed that thing before. And that's taken a minute to load in for some reason, but I can live with that. So go to my config and look at the... Actually, I wanted to go to Git and the Better Task Manager. And hopefully that thing is now vanished, which it has. So I'm inside the Better Task Manager, and that auto test thing is gone because I deleted it and pushed the change. So this is working as intended, something to make my life a little bit easier.